Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a Coinbase account. To begin, simply visit the official Coinbase website or download their user-friendly mobile application. Once there, locate and click the Get Started button to initiate your registration journey. You'll then be prompted to enter your full legal name, a valid email address, and to create a robust, secure password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense for your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the foundation for your cryptocurrency experience. Next, it's time to verify your identity, a crucial step for security and compliance. First, check your email inbox for a verification link from Coinbase and click it to confirm your address. Then, provide your phone number. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via text message to enter. Finally, you will need to upload a clear image of a valid government-issued identification document, such as your driver's license or passport. This process typically takes just a few minutes to complete. With your identity verified, the next step is to link a payment method to your new Coinbase account. You have several convenient options, including connecting a bank account, a debit card, or even your PayPal account. Simply select your preferred method and follow the secure prompts to link it. For bank accounts, Coinbase might perform small, temporary deposit verifications to ensure everything is correctly set up. This step allows you to easily fund your account and begin trading. Finally, let's secure your account and make your first trade. It is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This adds a second verification step when you log in. Once your account is secure and funded, take some time to explore the Coinbase platform and its wide array of cryptocurrency offerings. When you are ready, you can easily make your very first cryptocurrency purchase using the payment method you just linked. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.